Hello, everyone. Diane Gonzalez, and I want to thank you for visiting me again. I hope you will like or subscribe to whatever platform you are visiting me on so that we can connect and continue to have a conversation. I appreciate the comments and the feedback and the messages that I get, so thanks for being a part of it. What I'm going to address today is ingredients again. And I just am so excited. I've addressed some of these ingredients before, and I'm just going to encapsulate it all here together. The number one ingredient that I am excited about is bakuchiol. We're all familiar with retinol. You've heard about it for ages. You know that it is an ingredient that many products use on the market today. You may also know or have experienced the side effects that retinol and retinoid can deliver, which can be very aggravating to your skin, which is why most product lines only put it in one product, in a set, and that's the night product, because at night you're resting. So things like activity, sweat, blood pumping, the sunshine doesn't aggravate it on your skin. Well, we have introduced this plant-derived retinol, bakuchiol, which is much more gentle and much more effective because of the way we can use it. So it's awesome. So I'm going to share this over here with you. This is the Age Well collection. The bakuchiol is also in our Brighten Up skincare line and our Lift Intense skincare line. And I love all of them. I daily use the Brighten Up and the Lift Intense, and the Age Well is a very popular line in our company. This is amazing. Now, what you can see, it says, here's what some of our vice presidents had to say after trying the complete Age Well regime. Arbonne never uses animal byproducts or tests on animals. Never. We test our products that we're looking to launch on our field reps, on our consultants, or a volunteer group. Actual humans, since these products are meant for humans, so we like testing them on humans. You can see that we had a very high percentage of the test group that really enjoyed these products. Each one of the steps are just amazing and go to a different level. Our cleansers do not strip your natural oils from your skin, but they do clean everything. Our cleansers do clean our makeup off very thoroughly. Now, if you're using a different makeup line, you may need a makeup remover, which we also have in our line. But if you're using our makeup lines, you can just depend on our cleansers to completely clean that off. The mist, people just loved it. The toning mist, it's fantastic. It helps to balance your pH so that as you put the next steps on, your skin automatically accepts it and it starts nurturing your skin cells immediately. It also helps loosen up the dead skin cells on your face after cleansing to make sure that the very gentle exfoliation is happening on a regular basis. The serum with 2% bakuchiol, 90% notice that it minimized the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2% is a very high percentage, and it's got to be formulated right for you to be able to use that. Now, on top of the serum, you're going to be layering the eye cream, the day cream, or the eye cream and the night cream, or the eye cream and your neck cream on top of that. And you're just giving it more and more of that bakuchiol. And that's why it is very effective. And like I say, it is so gentle that you're not going to get the side effects that you get from retinol or retinoid. So that is awesome. These lines, the Age Well, the Brighten Up, and the Lift Intense. Also, another amazing ingredient that comes in these products is a sustainable stem cell extract. And this really helps with the tone and firming of your skin. It just gives your skin a glow. It's fantastic. It works. A third ingredient that is extremely important is the stabilized vitamin C. Now, you may have tried products and you've heard vitamin C is good for our skin. It is. But there's many products on the market that use a very raw vitamin C, and that is too harsh for most people's skin, even if you do not have sensitive skin. So this stabilized vitamin C first is delivered in a encapsulated form, and it is released over time. So first off, you don't get that slam of harsh raw vitamin C. And secondly, it's able to soak in and nurture your skin cells and help with the collagen in the serum. And it just really makes a difference. So with all of these three unique ingredients working together, you get results. You get results in 24 hours. You're going to feel and see a difference, and you get accumulated results consecutively using this morning and night, and you will see and feel a real difference in your skin. It is amazing. All of these skincare lines come in sets, which deliver a great value with a discount, or you can sign up with our preferred client program and get even a bigger discount and earn free shipping and free products. I would be happy to discuss it one-on-one with you and help you get started with a line that's going to deliver what you need. Now, when you're thinking a skincare set, you're thinking, here goes, let's blow the bank. No, that isn't necessary. We have, like I say, great discounts, great value, and these products last forever because we do not use filler. You're going to use just the smallest amount. It's almost difficult to use the little bit of product that you need to cover your complete face, neck, décolleté, and get the results that you're looking for. It's going to be an investment in you. Now, it doesn't have to be a huge, we're going to not be able to make the mortgage payment this month or something, or the car payment. It's not that kind of an investment. And we have amazing starter sets. So we can get you started very reasonably, and you are going to see the difference, whichever avenue you decide to take. So thanks for visiting. I appreciate you being here, and I'm excited for you to try these amazing products and start seeing the results and just see some pretty smiles on those faces out there. Men, we have a Groom Well Men line also for you guys, and it carries the same 3 awesome ingredients for you. So let's get you started. You can either message me, comment. I appreciate all the feedback I get from everybody, and I love the conversations. So let's open up that conversation and get y'all started, and let's get some amazing, beautiful pictures of testimonials. I'm not even going to make you take a before. The pictures after are going to say it all. So anyway, again, this is Diane Gonzalez. I want to thank you for visiting me. Please subscribe or like, and I'll be seeing y'all again very soon.